The next operation of matrices and vectors that we're going to discuss is addition. And addition is very easy because it works the same exact way that regular addition works. So here we're going to have two vectors or two matrices. Doesn't matter, the interpretation is the same. But in order to add two matrices or two vectors, we have two requirements, or one basic requirement, I should say, which is that the size of the matrix or vector needs to be the same for both of them, okay? I can't add a row and column vector together. That makes no sense, because with the row vector, I have this, and with the column vector, I have this. So two different sizes, different number of rows, different number of columns. However, if they're the same size, then the way that we add two vectors or two matrices is that we create a new element in a new matrix. Let's say I have two matrices or two vectors, A and B, whose elements are indicated by Aij and Bij. Then the way that then we say that the sum of the matrices, and the same is true of vectors, the sum of the matrices is another matrix vector that is constructed by saying the element Cij is just simply equal to the element Aij plus Bij. So let's take an example. Suppose that I had two column vectors. This is A and this is B. Then the vector C is A plus B is equal to, remember we do the construction, 1 plus 3, which is 4, 2 plus 4, which is 6, and 3 plus 5, which is 8. And there you have it. In the case of matrices, I may have the matrix, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and the matrix 8, 9, 10, 11. The matrix C of A plus B is just equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 8, 9, 10, 11 equal to 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 3 plus 10 is 13, and 4 plus 11 is 15. And there you have it. Okay, so addition is really that easy between the vectors and the matrices. It's not a hard concept by any stretch of the imagination. It just takes some getting practice to. So you might want to get some practice just adding some of the matrices and vectors together, just so you can kind of see how all of that is working and playing out.